Building wealth when you have almost nothing may seem impossible, but the truth is that many self-made millionaires started exactly where you are now, broke, in debt, or with barely enough to cover rent. The difference between those who stay stuck and those who rise is not luck, it's mindset, habits, and small, consistent actions over time. You don't need a big inheritance or a high salary to start your journey toward financial freedom. You just need a plan and the discipline to stick with it. Before anything else, wealth starts in your mind. If you believe money is hard to get or that rich people are lucky, you will unconsciously push wealth away. You must start seeing money as a tool, not a problem. Tell yourself you can learn how to make it, grow it, and keep it. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," start asking, "How can I afford it?" That simple shift turns your brain from a victim to a problem solver. Read books on money, follow successful entrepreneurs, and surround yourself, even online, with people who talk about growth and opportunity. Your environment shapes your financial reality. When you have little money, the biggest mistake is to wait for more before you start. The truth is, you'll never have enough to start if you keep waiting. Begin where you are. Save your first $10, then $100, then $500. Each step builds momentum and confidence. Start small, but start now. Even a simple savings account or an app that helps you invest spare change is better than nothing. The goal is to train your mind and your habits to save and invest automatically, no matter how little you earn. Debt can destroy wealth before it begins. Credit cards, payday loans, and high-interest personal loans are traps that keep you working for banks instead of yourself. The first step to freedom is to get out of the hole. List every debt you owe, from smallest to largest. Pay the minimum on all except for the smallest, which you attack aggressively until it's gone. This debt snowball method gives you quick wins and keeps you motivated. Once you clear your debts, redirect that money toward investments and building assets. You can't save your way to wealth on a low income. You must increase your earning power. The fastest way to do that is to learn a high-value skill that people or businesses are willing to pay for. This could be digital marketing, sales, copywriting, graphic design, coding, video editing, or even public speaking. You can learn these skills for free online through YouTube, free courses, or affordable platforms like Coursera and Udemy. Once you get good, you can freelance, work remotely, or start your own business. Skills are assets. They multiply your earning potential without needing large amounts of money to begin. When you start earning more, resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle too fast. Instead, pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of every dollar you earn, even 10%, and invest it in something that grows. If you're new to investing, start with simple, low-cost index funds or ETFs. If you prefer to be more active, explore real estate, online businesses, or digital assets. The key is consistency. Wealth doesn't come from big wins, it comes from small investments made consistently over time. Remember the formula: earn, save, invest, repeat. The wealthy don't rely on one source of income, and neither should you. Start by creating one extra stream of cash flow outside your main job. It could be selling a digital product, offering freelance services, renting a spare room, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Once that income is steady, build another one. Each new stream increases your security and accelerates your wealth. Eventually, your money will start working for you instead of you working for money. This is one of the hardest parts for most people. Society pressures you to show off success, new cars, clothes, and gadgets, but real wealth is quiet. The rich often live simply while their money multiplies in the background. Living below your means doesn't mean being cheap. It means being smart. Cut unnecessary expenses, buy quality instead of quantity, and use your extra money to grow assets. Every dollar you don't spend is another soldier in your wealth army. Building wealth from zero is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You won't get rich overnight, but you will get there if you stay patient and consistent. Focus on progress, not perfection. Each year you'll earn more, save more, and invest more. Compound growth will do the rest. The biggest mistake is quitting too early. Most people stop right before their efforts start paying off. Stay committed even when it feels slow. Wealth rewards those who can delay gratification. Starting from zero is tough, but it's also a blessing because you learn discipline, humility, and creativity along the way. Every dollar you earn will have meaning, and every success will be built by your own hands. You don't need a miracle to build wealth. You need a plan, patience, and consistency. Start small, stay focused, keep going. Over time, your small steps will turn into big results, and one day you'll look back and realize you've built real wealth from absolutely nothing.